What's going on, guys? David here with you with DC Appliance Repair. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Hope everybody is having a great day out. Hope everybody is being safe out. Wanted to talk a little bit about, I got technicians that say they're working for a warranty company, or they've been flipping appliances themselves and they're looking to get some COD calls, maybe start doing repairs, but they're not really not interested for one, or maybe not comfortable enough to get in with a warranty company. So what do I recommend? Well, for one, this is what I would do, because this is what I've done and this is what worked for me. Now take note, I did get started in a smaller town to where I'm at now. There was only one appliance repair technician. He was an older gentleman and he was getting out of the business himself. Now that did not make it easy for me, not one bit, because who am I? The community didn't know who David was with DC Appliance Repair. So how did I get myself known in this community? Well, for one, Craigslist was not very popular in this area. This place is still back in old school, where people's reading papers and they're listening to the radio on radio ads. So I got on Google and I started Googling all the furniture companies in my area, all the different places that sold furniture and so forth. And because I know that customers would be calling these guys, seeing if they know anybody that did repairs. So I went and dropped my business card in there, went and dropped my flyer in there and let them know who I was, and that went well. We started getting a few calls here and there, and so that's what I would do. And the thing is, I also utilize Facebook real heavy, because Facebook was a great source to advertise in that area. And when I say advertise, I didn't pay anything. Okay, I would get in these buy-sell trade groups. I'd post up at least once or twice a week, just letting people know, hey, we're here in the area. We're here to service your appliance, here to take care of your washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator. We cover all major brands and appliances. Give us a call, give us a shot. So that's what we would do, let people know it was out there. And also too, if you want to talk about spending a little bit of money with advertising, and now I know that this may be a little bit different since COVID has come out, but get yourself in your local schools, get yourself in local ball games, and these guys, before the year begins and different stuff like that, you can go to that school and ask them about their advertising. Now a lot of times what happen is it's generally about 150 for all season. Find out what their thing is and how many times they put out, and do it. That'll work well, because people there be watching the ball game and they see the advertisements. Now I know a lot of you guys are in bigger cities, and if you're in bigger cities, to me, I would go talk to all the property management companies. I go talk to all the property managers that's over condos, apartments, all these different places where people live at, and where people live at, they're managed. So figure out who to talk to and manage, and figure out who you need to get in with and start doing these repairs. Now when it comes to paying, when it comes to lead generation, I say heck with lead generation, heck with it, piss on it, heck with lead generation. If you're gonna pay for lead generation, then go sign up for a warranty company. Okay, that's what I would do. Never pay for leads. Okay, I would rather go get with a warranty company and them pay me to go get that lead, and I'm gonna make money. So when it comes to paying for leads, my personal opinion, stay away from it. That's my personal opinion. Some of you guys, it might be working great for you. That's good for you. But for me, I'm getting taxed, percentage dollared everywhere I can. I'm not finna, I know too much how to get myself out here to pay for somebody to go do what I'm gonna go do, and then I'm gonna go pay them for me to get this call. No, guys, don't do it. Go get a warranty company, man. They will give you more calls and you ain't got to pay a dime. Okay, that being said, but I don't want to get a warranty company. Well, then if what I'm telling you is not working for you, then there's definitely more sources out there that you can do, like building your own website, which is simple nowadays. You can build your own website. You can get yourself on Google My Business for free. There's so many different things that you can do out here, guys. so many different ways that you can get your name out here. And if some of you guys are flipping appliances already and you're looking to get COD calls, well, how are you guys capturing your customers that you're getting right now? Have you been getting their emails? Have you been getting their name, their number? How have you been collecting their information to the guys that you've been selling these used appliances to? Because what you can do is you can go out here and you can shoot them a nice sweet email, one push of a button, to all your customers and say, hey guys, we really appreciate your business with us. You know, you purchased a used appliance with us, and we're just sending this email out to let you know that we're officially doing in-home repairs. Let them know how you work, what you service, and what you do. And then boom, watch the calls come in. So it takes time, guys. There's nothing that you can do out here besides going and getting a warranty company that's going to start running your calls like that. There's nothing else that you could do without putting in the time, putting in the effort, grinding it out, getting your first year in, getting your second year in, getting your third year in, and just grinding it out. I mean, that's the quickest way that you're going to grow your business, any business, guys. So, with that being said, this is David with DC Appliance Repair, and I'll see you guys in the next video.